Today in your class fluid mechanics in module 3rd, the Bernoulli's equations and its applications of the Bernoulli equations. Bernoulli equations proof and detailed discussion in unit 1, unit 2 also discussed by you, and now the practical applications of Bernoulli's equations are as follows. The Bernoulli's equation is applicable in all problems of incompressible flow where there is involvement of energy considerations, but here we shall discuss its applications in the following measuring devices like Venturi meter, orifice meter, rotameter and elbow meter, and pitot tube. Orifice meter and Venturi meter is most important, very important for your syllabus and in competition purpose and so on. Pitot tube is also a topic, a small topic, but it is very important. It is a measuring devices for the measuring the velocity of the fluid. Now Venturi meter, first one is the Venturi meter. Venturi meter is of most important practical applications of Bernoulli theorem. It is an instrument used to measure the rate of discharge in a pipeline and is often fixed permanently at different sections of the pipelines to know the discharge is there. Okay. Venturi meter has been named after the 18th century Italian engineer Venturi, the name of Venturi. Now the types of Venturi meter. Venturi meters may be classified as follows: horizontal Venturi meter, vertical Venturi meters, and inclined Venturi meters. Three types of the Venturi meters. First one is the horizontal Venturi meters. It is important. A Venturi meters consist of the following three parts: short engineering part, throat, and diverging pipe parts. Three parts of the Venturi horizontal Venturi meter. Now expressions for the Venturi meter of the flow, rate of the flow. In given figure, the Venturi meter fitted in horizontal pipe through which fluid is floating, and the diameter of the inlet pipe is taken as d1, and the throat thickness is throat dia taken as d2 at section 2, and the manometer, U-tube manometer are fixed on before section 1 and one small narrow pipe fitted at the throat situations or throat conditions. In that figure here, this is the convergent part, okay, and this is the divergent part, it is divergent part, and this is the throat. Here the diameter is there, and d2 diameter and d1 diameter of this Venturi meter. Okay. Now come on the topic. Now area of the Venturi meter of the section, that is the A1 of the section 1, pressure of the section 1 is P1, velocity of the section 1 is V1, and similarly at the section 2 is D2, A2, P2 and V2 are the corresponding value of the section at 2. Now applying Bernoulli's equation, now we know that the Bernoulli equation is the pressure energy plus kinetic energy plus datum energy is equal to constant. All energies are the sum of the constant value. Therefore, applying the Bernoulli equations at section 1 and 2, we get P1 upon W plus V1 square upon 2G plus Z1 is equal to P2 upon W plus V2 square upon 2G plus Z2. Here Z1 and Z2, since the pipe is horizontal, therefore Z1 and Z2 is the same value, and it can be cut out, and therefore we get the expression is here. We see P1 upon W plus V1 square upon 2G is equal to P2 upon W plus V2 square upon G, and rearrange that terminology, that is the pressure energy is separated another part, and kinetic energy, that is the velocity part, is separated another side. Therefore P1 minus P2 upon W is equal to, it is the difference of the pressures heads at the section 1 and 2. Therefore the P1 minus P2 upon W is equal to small h, which is seen here, that is the small h. It is the pressure difference as shown in figure. And the throat ratio is taken as d2 upon d1 is varies 1/4 to 3/4. It is the variable part. Now substituting these values in equations second, we get h is equal to v2 square minus v2 square upon 2g minus v1 square upon 2g, and applying now continuity equations, we have a1 v1 is equal to a2 v2, and therefore v1 is equal to a2 v2 upon a1. Now it is putting the equation third, and we get h is equal to, which is seen here, h is equal to v2 square upon 2g minus a2 v2 upon a1 whole square upon 2g, and rearrange these terminology, and we get v2 is equal to under root 2gh bracket within bracket a1 square upon a1 square minus a2 square, and now it can be rearranged, that is the q is equal to a2 v2, which is seen here, and now putting this value of v2 in here, therefore a2 into a1 upon under root a1 square minus a2 square and multiply by under root 2gh, and this equations is shown, and q is equal to a1 a2 upon under root a1 square minus a2 square into under root 2gh, where c is the constant, and c is equal to a1 a2 upon a under root a1 square minus a2 square. And now where c is the Venturi meter constant, c is the Venturi meter constant. Therefore q actual discharge is equal to that is the which is less than the theoretical discharge, and q actual is equal to cd into a1 a2 upon under root a1 square and a2 square under 2gh, where cd is equal to coefficient of Venturi meter or coefficient of discharge, and its value is less than unity, varies between 0.96 and 0.98. It is variable, and it is in between 0.96 to 0.98, and which is less than always 1. Value of H by differential U-tube manometers. Case 1, differential manometer containing a liquid heavier than the liquid flowing through. Therefore the value of H will be taken as this formula, that is H is equal to y and y within bracket SHL upon SP minus 1, and now where the differential manometer constant a liquid lighter than the liquid are flowing through the pipe, therefore this is the value of H y equal to y under root y within bracket 1 minus SN upon SP, where SLL is specific gravity of lighter liquid and SP is equal to specific gravity of flowing through pipe and liquid. and which is taken, and therefore we solve these equations and now calculate the discharge of given at the given Venturi meter at the section of the Venturi meter. Now we take a small example, that is a horizontal Venturi meter with inlet diameter 200 millimeter and throat diameter 100 millimeter is used to measure the flow of water. The pressure at inlet is 0.18 Newton per mm square, and the vacuum pressure at the throat is 280 millimeter of mercury. Find the rate of flow. The value of CD may be taken as 0.98, and now now according to these questions and follow the methodology of the solution part. First of all, given that is the given all terminology to be written in the solution part, that is the inlet diameter of Venturi meter taken as D1, and which is equal to the how much, that is the 200 millimeter. It can be converted in meter, that is the 0.2 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Area of inlet, that is the A1 is equal to pi by 4 D1 square, and now calculate the area of the section A1, and the throat diameter, that is the D2 is taken, that is the 100 millimeter. It can be converted in meter, that is the 0.1 meter, and now area of throat to be calculated, that is the A2 is equal to pi by 4 into 0.1 square, that is the 0.00785 meter square, that is the area of throat. And the pressure at inlet P1 is equal to it is 0.18 Newton per mm square, which is given, and it can be converted into kilonewton per meter square. Therefore P1 upon W is equal to 180 upon 9.8, which is calculated this term, that is the pressure energy 18.3, and vacuum pressure at the throat, that is the calculated P2 upon W is equal to minus 280 millimeter of mercury, and multiply by 13.6, and it can be obtained 3.8 meter of the water, and the coefficient of CD, which is taken as 0.98. Differential head, that is the H is equal to P1 minus P2 upon W, and now putting these terminology and calculate the differential head is 22.1 meter. Now therefore putting the all values, Q is equal to, this is the basic formula of the Venturi meter, Q is equal to CD, where C suffix D is the coefficient of Venturi meter, that is the discharge coefficient, and A1 A2 upon under root A1 square minus A2 square into 2GH. Therefore now putting all these values which is given in the questions, and now remaining parts of the questions to be calculated, and putting these all terms, 0.98 CD value is 0.98, and A1 A2 area, and 2 into gravitational force into head difference. Now solve the above all terms with your given calculators, and therefore the discharge of the Venturi meter Q is equal to obtained, that is the 1.165 meter cube per second. This is the discharge of the Venturi meter. Now easily it can be calculated. Now similarly a small second questions which is given a horizontal Venturi meter with inlet diameter that is the given is 200 millimeter and throat diameter 100 millimeter is implied to measure the flow of water. The reading of the differential manometer connected to the inlet is 180 millimeter of mercury. If the coefficient of discharge is 0.98, determine the rate of flow. Now similarly, therefore all terminology to be written in the given questions, that is the solution part. D1 is equal to 200 millimeter, which is given, and now it can be converted in meter, that is the 0.2 meter. And area of the inlet pipe to be calculated, that is the A1 is equal to pi by 4 d1 square, and it can be calculated 0.0314 meter square. Throat diameter is given, that is the d2 is equal to 100 millimeter, that is the 0.1 meter. And now area of the throat, it is calculated. Area of the throat A2 is equal to pi by 4.1 square, that is the calculated. It can be calculated, and it is obtained as 0.00785 meter square. Reading of differential manometer, which is in given diagram, that is the y is equal to 180 millimeter, that is the 0.18 meter of mercury. Coefficient of discharge is given, that is the CD is equal to 0.98. Now all putting the all values in given questions. First of all, total difference of pressure head is be using calculate by the using these relations, that is the H is equal to y into SHL. This formula is used in the calculation of H. SHL is equal to specific gravity of mercury, that is the heavy liquid, and it is the value is 13.6, and SP is equal to specific gravity of liquid through the pipe, that is the water is equal to 1. And now H is equal to 0.18, 13.6 upon 1 minus 1 is equal to it can be calculated 2.268 meter. And to find Q using the relation Q is equal to CD A1 A2 upon under root A1 square minus A2 square under root 2GH, we get Q is equal to 0.98 into 0.0314 into 0.00785 upon under root A1 square and A2 square and 2GH, and therefore now it can be calculated. And the discharge value of the Venturi meter is to be 0.0528 meter cube per second, which is calculated by the given your calculator. And now third type of example, which is seen here, a horizontal Venturi meter with inlet and throat diameter which is given 300 millimeter and 100 millimeter respectively is used to measure the flow of water. The pressure intensity at inlet is 130 kilonewton per meter square, while the vacuum pressure head at throat is 350 millimeter of mercury. Assuming that 3% of the head is lost in between the inlet and throat, find the value of CD and rate of flow. Two terminology to be calculated, that is first of all CD and second one is the rate of flow. Therefore now solution part, first of all the given values to be written, that is the given that the diameter of the inlet, that is the D1 is equal to 300 millimeter, 0.3 meter, and now calculate the area of the section 1 is A1 is equal to pi by 4 D1 square, that is the 0.07 meter square. Throat diameter which is given D2 is equal to 100 millimeter, it can be converted in meter, 0.1 meter. Area of throat pi by 4 D2 square, that is the 0.00785 meter square. And now pressure at inlet is it is given P1 is equal to 130 kilonewton, and now pressure had to be P upon W 130 upon 19.81, that is 13.25 meter. Similarly pressure head at throat is equal to P2 upon W, and it is be 350 millimeter of mercury, it multiply by 13.6, and it is the 4.76 meter of the mercury. It is the pressure head at the section 2. Now therefore the differential head H is equal to P1 minus P2 upon W, and it is the value is 18.01 meter. Now head lost, HF is equal to 3%, that is the 3 upon 100 into 18.01 is equal to 0.54 meter. It is the head lost. and therefore the CD value is calculated with the help of head and head lost. That is, the CD is equal to under root HF, H minus HF upon H is equal to 0.985. This is the value of CD to be calculated with the help of this formula. And now again calculate the value of rate of the flow, that is the Q, using the relation Q is equal to CD A1 A2 upon under root A1 square minus A2 square within bracket under root 2 GH. We have the putting the all values, CD value also calculated and A1 A2 already calculated in the above. Putting the all values and now calculate the discharge, rate of the discharge, which is equal to 0.146 meter cube per second, which is calculated, that is the discharge of the given Venturi meter, and it is the rate of flow. Now next example, another type of example, which is asking in gate examination of the gate examination. A given question, a Venturi meter throat diameter is equal to 10.5 centimeter is fitted to a water pipeline, internal diameter 21 centimeter. In order to monitor flow rate to improve accuracy of measurement, pressure difference across the Venturi meter is measured with the help of an inclined tube manometer, the angle of inclination being 30 degree, which is shown in figure. For a magnetometer reading of 9.5 centimeter of mercury, which is shown in diagram, find the flow rate and discharge coefficient of the Venturi meter is given as this, that is the 0.984. Now come on the direct question part, solution part. Inlet diameter is given, that is the D1, and the D1 is 0.21 meter. That is the now calculate the area of A1, that is the inlet diameter. A1 is equal to pi over 4 D1 square, and it is the 0.0346 meter square. Throat diameter D2 is equal to 10.5 centimeter, that is the 0.105 meter. Area of throat, which is calculated pi by 4 D2 square, and which is the value of the area of the throat is equal to 0.00866 meter square. Discharge coefficient of Venturi meter, which is given, CD is equal to 0.984, and now pressure head is calculated with the help of the formula H is equal to YS mercury upon specific gravity of water minus 1, which is the value of Y is 9.5 sine 30 degree, which is the vertical components, and horizontal components, and 13.6 upon 1 minus 1, which is given, and therefore pressure head is equal to 0.5985 meter. Therefore discharge of the Venturi meter, which is using the formula Q is equal to CD under root CD A1 A2 upon under root A1 square minus A2 square and under root 2 GH, putting all the value which is above calculated, and now therefore the discharge of the Venturi meter, discharge of the pipe is calculated 0.0302 meter cube per second, which is the discharge of the Venturi meter. Now easily it can be calculated, and these questions to be asking in the gate examination. Okay.